March 9, 2026 Afternoon Session Financial News Summary, Eastern Time, covering 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Welcome to your market update. Before we begin, please subscribe for daily financial insights and market analysis. News 1, ECB holds rates, revises 2026 growth outlook lower. The European Central Bank kept its deposit facility rate at 3.25% as expected but cut its 2026 Eurozone GDP growth forecast to 1.2% from 1.5%. The euro fell 0.5% to 1.0720 against the dollar, while German 10-year bond yields dropped 8 basis points to 2.15%. News 2, U.S. non-farm payrolls surged by 275,000 in February. U.S. job growth exceeded expectations of 200,000, though the unemployment rate ticked up to 4.1% from 4%. Average hourly earnings rose 0.2% below the 0.3% forecast. The 10-year Treasury yield initially spiked then paired gains to trade at 4.08%. News 3, oil prices plunge 4.2% on OPEC Plus disagreement reports. Brent crude futures fell $3.50 to settle at $79.80 per barrel following reports of a major disagreement within OPEC Plus over extending production cuts. Energy stocks led the S&P 500 down 0.8% in afternoon trading. News 4, Nikkei 225 closes at record high, up 1.5% on weak yen. Japan's benchmark index rose to 42,500. Buoyed by a weaker yen trading at 152.90 per dollar. The rally was broad-based, with exporters and financials gaining over 2% following stronger-than-expected machinery orders data. News 5, China exports jumped 7.1% in February, beating forecasts. China's dollar-denominated exports rose significantly above the 3.5% consensus estimate, though imports grew a modest 1.8%. The trade surplus widened to $89.2 billion. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index rallied 2.1% on the data. News 6, major M&A, AstraZeneca to acquire biotech firm for $42 billion. Pharmaceutical giant AstraZeneca announced a cash and stock deal to acquire oncology-focused biotech company Novavax for $42 billion, a 30% premium to Friday's close. AZN shares fell 4% in London trading on dilution concerns. That concludes today's financial news summary. Stay tuned for market updates and have a profitable day ahead.